Hey, space explorers. Imagine a mysterious visitor from beyond our solar system, speeding toward us at 130,000 miles per hour, and NASA's Juno might just intercept it. Meet 3I/Atlas, discovered July 1st, 2025. Only the third confirmed interstellar visitor. And it's huge. 7 miles wide with a 15-mile coma of ice and dust. The largest interstellar object we've ever seen. Most scientists think it's a comet from another star system, possibly 11 billion years old. But Harvard's Avi Loeb suggests something wild. Could this be an alien probe? It'll pass Mars in October, Venus in November, and reach Jupiter in March 2026, coming within 53.6 million kilometers of Jupiter, right where Juno is waiting. Launched in 2011 to study Jupiter, Juno could redirect using a Jupiter Oberth maneuver, firing its thrusters at 1.66 miles per second to slingshot toward the interstellar visitor. Juno's infrared mapper and cameras could analyze 3I/Atlas up close, revealing its composition, age, and origins far better than any Earth-based telescope. This is our chance to study a cosmic time capsule from another star system, and maybe answer the ultimate question: natural comet or something more? The clock is ticking. NASA has until September 14th to make this decision. But after 14 years in space, does Juno have enough fuel to pull this off? Will NASA take this once-in-a-lifetime shot at intercepting a visitor from the stars? What do you think 3I/Atlas really is? Drop your theories in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more cosmic mysteries. Thanks for watching, Space Explorers.